First of all, how would you guys define summer learning?
Summer learning is kind of an oxymoron if you think about it, because, you don't learn in the summer typically. You just go out and have fun.
If you read a lot over the summer, that's summer learning, and you learn stuff over the summer. It's not school. Usually it's way awesomer than school.
It's an alternative to just kind of lying on the couch staring at the ceiling all summer long.
I would define it as something that is not as traditional. It's more interactive, and it's more activities and less books and reading.
For me, summer learning, since I've been able to write and read, my mom's made me do workbooks. I really don't like it, but that's to me what summer learning is.
Summer learning to me is taking your summer and doing something active, something that'll help you when you go back to school.
Do you think we're promoting summer learning at City Stories Camp?
Yeah, I think it's summer learning. What kid doesn't want to have a camera in their hand? It's fun for me too, so.
It's not like you're in a class and you're getting lectured all day. It's kind of camp, so they have fun, but they also, learn some important things in it at the same time, which I think that's the key, is to mix business and pleasure, if you will.
And I think City Stories help with that, because instead of the kids just going swimming, playing around and things like that, they were able to sit down and do something that was going to help.
Obviously, you've seen these kids grow in the past almost 2 weeks. What skills do you think they've developed? Can you think of times when you've really seen growth in the kids?
When they take pictures, you can tell that they really remember what we said, because they're not just taking pictures, they're remembering the stuff that we told them, the rule of thirds and all the different types of photos that you can take.
I think one thing that the kids have learned is to take initiative in saying what they want to do. Part of it is because they know more about it and more about the audio slideshows and journalism, and they kind of get an idea what's good. And when I asked them oh, so how did your interview go? Today we interviewed someone who was a better source than the previous guy that we interviewed at Outerbacks and Fasteners. Kavan, who came back, the kid who did the interview with the new guy, and he was yeah, this guy was definitely better. We should use his stuff. And so, that's a very mature thing to say for a little kid, and for him to be able to recognize that, that's learning a lot.
I think it just helps. When you give kids responsibility and they have something that they can make their own, then, they kind of shine.
Huh? The note? Yeah, make sure you hold.